Hi guys, this is Rick. You're watching Rick Chat RC, and this is the Wizard of Oz. Now seriously, this is my wizard. I live down under, and I'm calling it the Wizard of Oz. It's, for those of you who may recognize it, it's the Eachine Wizard X220 quad, and this is what it looks like when you take it apart. See, I haven't had much fun with this yet. I keep crashing it, and every time I crash it, I'm finding out how weak it actually is, and I'm quite disappointed, to tell you the truth. Like, I don't know about everyone else, but when my quad goes down, the top plate flexes. Okay, this one here. This flexes. It flexes about here. It lifts, and my side plates, these little babies, they keep falling out. They keep getting yanked out, to tell you the truth. First it's the one on the right, then it's the one on the left. Now the other day when this happened, I have to say something really bad happened. This little JST cable got yanked out. So this is the cable that comes with the quad when you first purchase it. It's the PPM lead. Goes in this section here like that, and the other end goes into the PPM section of the receiver. Well, I have reconnected this and I've resoldered the wires. As you can see, they were snapped off, and I'm not getting a signal. It's still broken, and I don't know why. All I know is that when I plug this JST cable back into the receiver here, it slips in and out too easily, like it's been oiled. Now I've checked it with the bind plug, and the bind plug is a nice firm fit no matter where it goes. This JST cable isn't. So I've ordered some more, touch wood, and I'm hoping that when the new ones come, I'll plug it in and everything will be back to normal. I've changed receivers too, hasn't made any difference. So it's not the receiver. I'm hoping it's not this, hoping it's not the board here. If it is, I'll just change it, fair enough. But for now, I've got a few more of these on order. And yeah, when they arrive, fingers crossed, I'm hoping it's all back to normal. In the meantime, what I'm going to do to keep my flying skills up is keep on practicing using my tiny whoop. I've got the Snapper 7 on its way, and I'm just going to keep practicing with that one shortly, because I don't know how long it's going to be before the Eachine Wizard's going to be out of commission. But like I said from the start, in my opening, this is the Wizard of Oz. It's my Wizard of Oz. And I haven't been having too much luck with it so far. So I'm not even going to bother with any other quads. I'm going to get this going the way it should, and then I'll think about it. Thanks for watching. I don't really have any flight video of this. I was flying at line of sight for a while. Would you believe it? I crashed it when I put the goggles on and started doing FPV. So there you go. You can't win sometimes. But stay tuned. I'm going to try and incorporate some flying videos as soon as this is up in the air. I might do a part 1, part 2. I'll see how I go. But once again, thanks for watching. If anyone else has experienced this kind of upset with the side plates coming out, let me know. Because so far, I think it's just me. Well, I hope it isn't just me, because I'll tell you what, nothing's broken, but these things keep coming off, the side plates. And I can tell you now that this top plate here keeps flexing around about here. And you can't see it now because it's gone back to its original shape, but that had a bow in it, and I thought it was going to crack. It was a bit of a stress fracture there. And yeah, I thought, oh my God, I'm going to snap, I'm going to break the carbon, I'm going to have to buy a whole new top plate. Now, I haven't. I don't know if I've weakened it and it's about to snap with the next attempted, well, not attempted, I'm not attempting to crash it, but with the next crash, I'm not sure if it's going to flex again. But I'll tell you what, every time this thing hits the dirt, because I'm still learning to fly it properly, through FPV, it disappoints me, I have to say. I don't mind changing the blades, no big deal. You know, I can put a new prop on. But when the side plates keep coming out, I'm not happy. And now this JST cable's got yanked out. I'll tell you now, I'm not happy. And yeah, if anyone has a similar experience, if anyone has had a similar experience, let me know. Let's share some ideas here. You know, I'm learning as I go. Despite all the other stuff I've seen on YouTube, I'm still learning as I go. So drop me a line. I'm happy to respond. Maybe we can share ideas, share some resolutions too. I don't know. We'll see how we go. Give me the thumbs up if you like it. Give me the thumbs down if you don't. And please, don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty more like this coming. And yeah, thanks. Thanks for watching. And I'll talk to you all next time. Thanks again. Bye for now.